We've heard about the lives of prophets and their families in the Holy Qur'an, and we've been moved by their strength, patience, and wisdom. And when we hear their inspirational stories, we often wonder about what the great women of their time were experiencing. What were their perspectives, their struggles, and their challenges? The lives of incredible women are also shared in the Holy Qur'an. Allah has preserved their stories that we can learn from their courage, belief, and determination. Propelled by their hope and trust in Allah, these women of faith birthed cities, saved their families, ruled kingdoms, and stood against oppression. Immerse yourself in their stories. Reflect on how their faith can inspire your own, and how you too can be upheld by Allah.